Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Marx 6000 that arrived today. And this was the shell. And of course the motor was frozen solid, which is why I got it for 11 bucks. And the armature gear was out of position. So it took about 5 minutes to get that motor up and running. As you see, this 6000 is in fairly poor condition. So I took the motor and transplanted it into this Marx 6000 dummy and just drilled a hole to mount the motor just like in the A unit. The advantage this has, of course, is it has a front and rear coupler, so it can be run as a genuine switcher. So I've just got the headlight installed, so I thought I'd do a quick video of this running with its new headlight. As you can see, this locomotive runs just absolutely splendidly, forward and reverse. It has a front coupler and a rear coupler, so you can run it as a switcher. So I bought that 6000 just to get the motor out of it because I had this dummy shell. So it was a really simple modification to put a full-size motor in this dummy. So I just got the headlight installed, and as you can see, this is running just absolutely splendidly. And it runs forward and it runs reverse, as you see. And with that front coupler, you can actually run this as a switcher. And of course, you can still couple it to a Marx 6000A unit, and it gives you two powered locomotives. So you have two of these full-size motors coupled together in tandem. You should be able to pull just about any size consist that you can put on this layout. So it was definitely worth the 11 bucks and, I don't know, probably 40 minutes it took to do this. So a full-size Marx motor mounted in the dummy B unit. Front and rear coupler, now has a working headlight, runs forward and reverse, and it's running just absolutely splendidly. That is less than 40% power now. Excuse me. So running really well, it looks nice. It was really inexpensive. $11, and you can see that the original shell is far from perfect. And this one is in much better condition. So like I said, it gives you the added advantage of now having a front and rear coupler. Full-size motor with a working E unit, so really difficult to beat that for $11. As you can see, this runs just absolutely splendidly. Nice and smooth. You can run it really slow. And of course now it has a working headlight as well. So let's slow this down a bit. As you see, that runs quite well at slow speeds. So that's about, I don't know, 20% power perhaps, if that. And it'll maintain a constant speed all the way around the rail, as you see. All right, let's bring it up to speed. So it has a working headlight, front and rear coupler. You can run it as a switcher. It was definitely worth the 11 bucks. Anyway, just a quick follow-up on this dummy unit. 6000B unit that I've installed the motor in, up and running with a working headlight, front and rear coupler, and a working E unit. 11 bucks. Really difficult to beat that. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.